Hey everyone, this is your reminder to change your air filter. Now, when you're in just the heated summer months like we are right now, like June, July, August, you're probably going to be running your HVAC system like just on blast. So it's so important to change these out. This is an air filter, and typically, you would change it out periodically, and sometimes the manufacturer will let you know how often to change this out as well. On this one, it says change out up to 3 months, right? But if you're living in a place where, you have high temperatures, you're constantly running your HVAC system like all the time, and you have it on a very cool temperature all the time, it's very important that you change these out way more regularly than 3 months. And actually, for me, I would recommend that you're changing this out every 30 days or every month. And that's because the purpose of these is to catch any molecules, any debris and any pollutants that might come through. And so if you're constantly running your HVAC system, it's going to make it work really hard, extra hard. And so you want these cleared out as possible so that air can circulate through this and through your system. So this is your reminder, change your air filter, and be sure to like, follow, or subscribe.